So if you haven't seen Avengers Infinity War, or been on the internet at all since the release and missed every possible meme or something, this video is going to include spoilers. Spoilers for something that I think everybody knows by now. At the end of the movie, Thanos snaps his fingers and half of the universe's population goes extinct. They're erased. They're gone. And included among these are two fan favorites who recently just came to the MCU, both making their big debut in Captain America Civil War, and then of course having their own solo outings and being in Avengers Infinity War. This being Spider-Man and Black Panther. Well, recently, during an interview, the Russo brothers said that even if certain characters have sequels, aka Spider-Man and Black Panther, their deaths in Infinity War are permanent. So let me backtrack that a second. Even if the character died, even if they have a sequel coming out, they're dead. So being real with you, I don't know how this works. Quite clearly, there's going to be some sort of manipulation of time, universes, or something that has to happen here. Maybe there's going to be a time jump forward. You know, we don't really know how they're treating this, but we know from the beginning of when they announced these two movies, they said, look, when it comes to these films, Avengers 4 is setting the stage for a MCU you've never seen before. Things are going to be different. Things are changing. Don't expect the same old, same old. And I think that's what they're getting us ready for here. Now, of course, everybody knows you're not going to get rid of Spider-Man, right? Spider-Man's got to keep going. It's got to be Tom Holland. We know he's in the movie. But is it? Is it Tom Holland? We know. Is it that same character? No? Maybe? Yes? I don't know. Black Panther, same thing. I mean, look at his movie. Look at the box office take. You'd have to be the most insane studio in the world to be like, man, we made a lot of money. Better not make a sequel to that one featuring the actor everybody likes. Of course he's going to stay in, but it's a matter of how do they treat the story. And I think that's what they're playing with here. They're telling us between the lines, the characters are dead, but they're coming back. But I don't think it's the same iterations. I think that's what they're trying to tell us. You guys, let me know your thoughts on this. How do you think they're going to be dealing with this? Because there's no way to kill off Spider-Man and Black Panther permanently. Like, no.